Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike back with this vehicle again. Yes, this is the Rat Wagon. It's the vehicle I found buried in the woods of Missouri. And of course, my good friend Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to... Ding, 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 ding. That part of the intro was on our way there. We found this in the woods where it had sat for years and years. We dragged it home, and then I found a rat this big, and all of the wires were eaten. So we got all that fixed. What we're doing today, after such a long time, I have in my hot little hands, these are the records that I need to finally get the title. So I have the title consult special instructions from the Service Oklahoma, and I happen to have a court order from a district judge saying that I am the owner of this car. Finally, we can take it out on the road, but look at it. It's horrible. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna give her a quick wash, check the fluids, then we're gonna drive her to the tag agency, get the tag put on, and then we're gonna take her for a spin. That is a backbone to something that got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead, please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to...
What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
All right, here we go. Let there be life in this old girl. Come on. She's alive and loving it. Okay. Hopefully she remembers how to drive. And hopefully I don't run over my duck. Well, we haven't even made it to the car washing's place, which is literally 20 feet that way. And I need transmission fluid. I know, I can just feel it. It just didn't want to go anywhere. So let's kind of check it and see what we've got, if there's any at all. Come on. We are, see, there's a cool spot and a warm spot. We're nowhere near the cool spot because the transmission hasn't been warmed up yet. Now we're ready. Now we are good to go. Okay. Let's add a little juice. All right, let's see how we did. Perfect. Just enough to get us to the tag agency and back, and then it'll be warm and I can give her a final reading. But of course we will be changing the transmission fluid and filter because this is turning out to be such a nice car. So that means we get to move forward with our wash. Here's the finished product. I gotta tell you, I love this car again. Well, not that I ever did fall out of love with her, but she just cleans up so nice. This car wants to come back to life. She wants to get back on the road. She's running good. She didn't overheat when I left her running for the transmission fluid addition. We're missing a 3. That's okay, I've got a couple in the drawer. There are some wounds from previous work detail on the bumper. And this right here we got to fix. I don't want this to pop off. So maybe I should glue that down. Some double-sided tape will fix that. Antenna, I think, still goes up and down, although it's supposed to be down right now. But look at her. This is gorgeous. So let's lock up the house, get the duck fed, and then we're going to take this car to the tag agent. And we're going to get a title for her and a license for her finally. After... how many months has it been? 8 months or so? Almost a year maybe? Yeah, I was waiting on the owner to, he was supposed to get some paperwork for me and try to get a title, and then he just stopped responding. So I had to pay, I think it was like $400 to get the court order to get the title. But looking at her now, she's definitely worth it. So she cost me $400. It was $400 to get the title, and I don't know what I've spent so far. Wiring was not that much, just for little bits of wire. I don't even remember. I can't remember the videos that we've done so far, but $800, $900, call it all in. For that, any day, absolutely. You know, I'm trying to think if we've even ever, and yeah, I know the oil light is on. I checked the oil, it's fine. I don't think that we've ever have we driven this car? Okay, there's a shift right there. And there's another one. Oh, we have, because the back is so bouncy. I remember, yes. Okay, so that's something I have to order now that she's coming to life so great. Yeah, those, whoa, that's really bad. So we'll have to order some accumulators for the rear. That's what it is. Oh man. Okay, anyway, she runs great other than being a little bouncy, so we'll get her to the tag agent. I can't even roll down my windows because I have a temporary center console. I'm working on the wood of the original that came with the car. It is getting a little warm. Huh, okay. Let's see if I can get there without having any issues. I'm still trying to drink my Coca-Cola as well. Well, guess what? We're official. We're really happy about it too, because check out my license plate. I'll just show you half of it. NMB, like new Mercedes Benz. How about that? Anyway, yeah, we passed the inspection. Basically, all they do is come out and verify the VIN right there or the VIN here. And she kind of laughed at me because it's such old school. You don't have to have the key to verify the miles. So we have a running and driving and totally official car. It's insured. Everything is great. Now we get to go home. I'll probably put some gas in her and we'll go home and work on this right here. The pieces are missing. And we'll order some accumulators, but I am so happy because look how nice this is. Look at how nice this is. Other than that right there, that's kind of a hot mess. But there's a way to, oh, I don't even know what this is. What is this? That's something I haven't seen before. I got to work on the roof. The roof does not open either. But everything else is magnificent. I am loving this car. I really am. It is so much fun. Well, if you listen closely, you can see the radio actually works. We are worried about this right here. There's no air coming from the center vents. Instead, it's coming from the defrost. So one of my little accumulators, just like underneath, one of the accumulators above is down, as well as one of the accumulators below. But other than that, she's gorgeous. She is really gorgeous. I do want to fix this. Okay, yeah, that's a mess. This panel will come out and you can recover it. And these horrible little cup holders from the 90s. Remember, everybody added these to their car, and this has them on both sides. It really does. Okay, but the engine sounds good. Everything just seems to be coming back to life so well. So I think we're going to call that a huge success. All right, it's a beautiful day. I have 4 other cars I have to go work on, but I think we're going to make this a video. I mean, it's kind of like just a day in the life. Okay, we drove it to the tag agency and we drove it home and we gave her a bath. Is that a big deal? Do you guys like a day in the life of videos? It's kind of like the GRWM, Get Ready With Me videos you find on TikTok. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think about the rat wagon. How far has this vehicle come? I mean, it was incredibly bad when we pulled her out of the forest and I had the rats and the mess and everything, the wiring, but she just wants to stay on the road. I can just feel it. And I was thinking I would sell this one too and keep the Volvo wagon, but I don't know. The other station wagon I am going to sell. It's not the black, it's the kind of grayish black. We're getting a little bit more work done on her. I'll have a video on that coming out soon, but the plan was, because the Volvo wagon is kind of new to me and it's larger and it has a turbo, but I don't know. This just kind of seems to fit me even better than the wagon. Let me know what you would choose, okay? Let me know. Would it be the Volvo or would it be the rat wagon? That's the great debate. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like, share this with all of your friends. We'll have some more videos on this because we do have some accumulators to replace, all right? It's a good day. It's a really good day. All right, we'll see you again soon. Don't forget, Monkey Wrench Mike.